In today's episode, I'm using products from Judykins and Etch to create a charming teddy bear themed baby shower gift. To make our little teddy bear nursery light, I'm using an empty glass honey bear jar. I think these jars are just so cute. And to give it a frosted effect and hide the string of lights we're going to put inside, I'm using Etch Dip and Etch liquid. You need a plastic disposable container that is large enough for your glass bottle to fit down inside of. Now I want to frost the inside and the outside of my little glass jar, so I'm going to fill it with the liquid and surround it with the liquid. You can also just weight down your jar and fill around it if you don't want the inside of your jar to be etched. But I'm just going to place mine in the bottom of the container and then simply carefully pour my dip and etch liquid into the bucket to completely cover the jar. We do recommend wearing safety glasses and gloves when working with this product. You want to let it set for 15 minutes before proceeding. Now that our jar has been submerged in the dip and etch liquid for 15 minutes, it's time to remove it and clean it. I simply remove it from the bucket and pour out the dip and etch liquid back into the bucket, and I'm going to just place my jar on a paper towel for now. Then I'm going to pour the dip and etch liquid back into the bottle because this product is reusable. I washed the jar thoroughly and let it dry, and then I proceeded with my decorating. I added some decorative ribbon around the top, and it looks like a little hat, and then a bow to the side, and I used some Beacon 527 adhesive to adhere that. To make it light up, I'm using this little LED string of lights. It fits perfectly down inside the jar. I just made sure that those lights were all the way down into the bottom of the bear and sort of equally dispersed inside, and then you can tuck the little screw top piece to activate the lights into the top or push it down into the jar, whichever you prefer. I wanted to make a little handmade card to go with the little bear nightlight, and to do that I'm using Judykins Bear in the Heart rubber stamp. I stamped the image onto some white cardstock with a permanent black ink, and then I chose to use colored pencils to color in my images, and I chose shades that matched the ribbon that I wanted, and I also chose my cardstocks to match that ribbon that I used. I colored my bear with a basic teddy bear brown, and then I went in and added the color to the flowers to match the cardstock and the ribbon. And this is what my finished little bear in the heart image looks like. Now I cut my cardstocks to make the card size that I wanted to be, and I wanted to distress the edges a bit and give them a rough feel, and to do that I just used the edge of a scissor. I just gently drag it along the edge of the cardstock that I wish to make the sort of fuzzy, distressed edge on. I wanted to add a piece of the same decorative ribbon to the side of the card, and I'm going to make a little slit at the top fold where I will poke the edge of that ribbon through and then bring it up from the bottom, and I'm going to tie a little bow to match the bow on the bear. Then I simply mounted my layers on the front of the card next to the piece of ribbon. You can mount them equally spaced and centered, or you can make them kind of off kilter for a little bit of whimsy. It's entirely up to you. This adorable little teddy bear jar is a great nursery accent even when it's not illuminated. But turn on those LED lights and it'll bring a charming glow to the baby's room. We hope you're enjoying our Bouncing Babies series, sponsored by Etch and Judykins. Please follow us on social media. Sign up on our website and you'll be entered to win a prize package full of products from some of our favorite sponsors. And remember, as we always say, when creativity knocks, open the door.